ends, how far, which one's gonna end? The far right or this right? Uh-oh. Construction. Which lane's it gonna go to? Which lane we have to drive in? I hope I'm in the correct lane. Right lane closed ahead. Oh boy. A 1, a 2, a 3. Alright, sorry folks. I think we've still got a good battery. Oh no, it's in the red. So it should be getting pretty low. I mean the battery is in the red. It's in the critical error. This is still the first battery that we used earlier today. And when I got to work, I was using this battery to do a few things, and we're continuing on using it. So we'll see just how far we're able to go with this.